Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Sums AI. It's a new app that generates very good AI in seconds. Very good thumbnails in seconds, right? So let's get started. We're gonna click on start for free once on the website. As you can see, the interface is very pretty, very well done. And now we will show you the details. As you can see, we have here Mr. Beast, other professional thumbnails, right? So we're gonna click on create thumbnail. Okay, now we have many options: text to thumbnails, image to thumbnails, right? And here we are creating a text to thumbnails for this video, and for this sample we are creating prince, let's say thumbnail of a prince in the forest, right, on his horse and on his way back home to his castle, and we'll see in a second, okay, the results. Let's wait for a while and we'll see. You will be amazed how quick it generates very professional thumbnails. Alright, this is the new way of creating thumbnails for busy professionals. If you want quality, and the price also is a good one. So yes, let's go ahead. Now we are done. Okay, with the prompt, as you can see, it's easy. Now let's generate our thumbnails. You can either use for YouTube normal size, or for shorts. Here it's generating the thumbnail. Let's wait for it. Okay, 6%, as you can see, 7. All right, let's wait for the thumbnail to be generated. Okay, almost done. In less minute, as you can see, some seconds, we are done with a very professional thumbnails. As you can see, look at the results guys, look at this. Isn't it professional? Isn't it worth $50 from thumbnail maker if you should hire? And you can do it by yourself. Now let's save it on our computer, just yeah, for the sake of this video, and I will leave the link in the video description, right? So go ahead, grab the link, start creating your thumbnails, and yeah, that's about it. If you have questions also, feel free to leave them in the comment section, and I will reply to you. I read all the comments, and see you guys. Take care.